TRA Snow and Son started in 1993 by my father and my mother. They were doing a lot of roof consulting for concrete roof tiles in the area. Here in Utah, we have a lot of snow and ice, and that snow and ice would slide on the roofs and break up the tiles.
We do snow retention across all spectrums. Snow guards, snow clips, snow fences, things that keep snow from falling off the roof. It keeps it from causing damage, wrecking a car, killing a person. Back in the day, we would take an order from a customer, input it into Salesforce, and then we would physically print out a copy of what was in Salesforce, make sure that it's all accurate in QuickBooks, and would walk it over to our production manager and hand them the piece of paper.
Those papers would follow every production order to the various stages in the production. They would often get lost. Legibility was an issue, and we were often months behind in inventory and never had a real accurate picture on what current inventory levels were, which was extremely frustrating.
The benefits for Acumatica have been pretty huge for us so far. The tracking of live data for our customers has been the biggest thing. Our customers have daily notifications or immediate responses from an order being placed. We use automation rules to then say, we are promising this order on X date.
We used to have 2 people working in finances in 2018, and now we have doubled or tripled our revenue thanks to Acumatica and many other processes. And we have 1 finance controller that's able to handle that.
We added some checkboxes just for processes. So when a process is completed on the production floor, people are checking the steps, and it's live time. So my sales team can actually see that data and say, this is where it is on the floor. I can let my customer know this is where it's at.
Time savings for our inside sales department is huge. 15 years ago, maybe we were able to handle a 45-minute transaction. There's no way in the world we could handle that now. The training involved is a lot more simpler.
We had average lead times in 2022, 2021 that were anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks. Now, with tracking efficiencies, we are able to get lead times on average anywhere from 4 business days to 8.
Having premier tech is vital for our company. There are times where there's something that I can't figure out. Having an industry professional that works with Acumatica every day, in and out, it's vital, and you need that for your success.
Probably the biggest benefit is that they can scale and grow as much as they want. They're no longer inhibited by technology. And they also recognize that as they grew, Acumatica was also going to grow and improve.
I have family members that have switched to a few other systems, and seeing their processes, I just don't understand it. The money that they're paying for annual subscriptions, knowing the integration process that they're going through is much harder than what I feel like it should be compared to Acumatica.
We're not waiting for anybody to do anything because it's instant information. We don't have to physically get up and walk somewhere to get information when it's clearly there in front of us.
When we look back, especially after 5 or 6 years, I mean, the payout is there. There's no question. Improvements that we made in production, CRM, better follow-ups, better communication with our customers. Acumatica is built for this.